Hello, Henry. How are you doing? Welcome, our distributor in the south of Ecuador, to our research center in Shenzhen, China. You traveled specially from Ecuador to China, and it was a long trip. And what brings you?
Well, it is very important to know firsthand the diagnostic technology, which in this case is the company SmartSafe, and we have the distribution in Ecuador, with the goal of acquiring knowledge and being able to provide the technical support that our clients need. Since this technology is new and obviously, it is very important to know the equipment in depth, its functioning, in order to provide the necessary support. Thank you very much.
We are going to invite everyone to participate in our training in Shenzhen, China, and share this new energy with everyone.
It is the first time that they are carrying out this type of SmartSafe training here in Shenzhen, China, and we invite you to future training sessions. Trust in Henicar in the city of Cuenca. We are equipped for all the maintenance of the electrical system of the vehicles, of the new technologies.
Thank you very much.